Ka Sinot Higher Secondary School kala rakhi ya ka Silver Jubilee jong ka Higher Secondary Section da ka ba ipo iping bat ka ba itanan. Hagani ka sngi lawan bandan lang umas niyaw bahalang dhar ubade usimbot menteri rangba ka jilla kum ukongsan u Reverend ER Kharkrang ubade Senior Executive Secretary ka KGP Sinot Sepni kum usimbot kongsan I Principal ki nonghikai ki khna pulie bat ki basha khot ngobha. Umas niyaw bahalang dhar habakren ha ka negasngi ulo ong ba ka jingtlot jong ki khna menta ka long ba ki bo ni ka jingmut bakimla banle ya ka kam ka badai bat ki bo tangkawai ka linti klem da bo ya ka lat ka babaha lingba ki jing start jong ki ulo ong ma ki khna menta ki ong balada puli ki myo kam hendrei ka ni ka long ka babakla namar kila khangla lupa yaladi.
Ni request si company bawan lebar, yang ginong bo hotel bolo, tangkau ni request. Please, mengenai kita want invest di business di, tangkau no kalau bekam bagi lokal bagi lah, please tukam tu jangan. Kata ada ini kong leaders tekam doi. Handai din pag mata pun singap kam tampi tiba banyak institution babantan. Sibel ayaki untuk sibel ayaki. Sibel ayaki ke bang soto ayaki bapri dan supen baik ayah baik borak koi. Dan ini masor silong ni siapa berjumpa baik kasih silokan po. Kampor silong. We are here. We should guide and live together. We should be a collectively responsibility. Pilak manwan rakyat state into a greater height. Dari datang kaji bishni, tangajin lori away. We will reach nowhere, I'm telling you. Pinlap kamta mage society ke jongi. Dari don bakiu, kim ting utu berubah kiu ya utu na ya utrekam ya utrestam, kiam baru deh betul jauh. Kim jo verify. Pinlap lagi yang mulu berubah kiu percaya jalan mantam, berok yang bersiru. Talar kiu dkhar, bukan berkeran. Please, this is the time to change our states. Kamekaya jongi menta wakin kaya ka. Nila apo he kadang betok bah in term of tourism sector. Pilih dah minimum arusan lepo jago tourism man kasi. Mana ba yo ni? Into tu saya kalkulator jongpi. Lara arpo jago tourism kiwan apo state man kasi. Tempat kini perlu tak jauh way. Kalau keluar taman kasi. Kalau aku itu dah hati dia 60 per month. Dia mesti tahu kai ka plus pun mawan turis. Kai ka plus pun mawan ke hotel investment tangba. Yes, provided. Kenung ke kam ke balak ni tung suai kena jongi kini akan lo jam. Kata ada mission government jongi. Kata ada mission jongi. Tapi kini baru kiling lu into economic growth. Lari improve tangga education sector, lemdon ke business para mengpose eiei. Lari ni ada business tahu berlebar kejungi sak kerja lu katakan pose eiei. There is always checks and balance to maintain the core relationships in our state. I have seen here the motto. What is the lighter of life or brighter of life something? You see the life. The word success, please remember, you cannot purchase it from the market and you have to earn it. You have to create it. That is a very, very strong word. I used to talk in every functions. I used to remind my students. The most common word we used to face that the word difficulties. And nobody like to hear and to know difficulties. I just to inform you and to share with you. The word difficulties does not mean impossible. And the word impossible is not there in the leader dictionaries. Because we are having a different life, different shape, different mindset, different thinking, different thoughts. Yes, what Reverend Kharkrang mentioned. Please remember, don't stress only one direction. That is the failures of our youth. today, especially in the present situations. We should not focus only in one direction. You should be multiple direction, but in the right direction, especially for the student. The government has invested crore of rupees in education sector. I think you know it already. Why? We want to strengthen to bring our youth into a greater height. The last cabinet that we are having, I think you are aware, because we are the education sector out here. We already decided in the cabinet from next session, it seems, we will allow even for the matrix student to appear twice exam, means supplement exam. The one who feel, we give them a chance next for the particular subjects. I think you are aware this last cabinet we have decided. What is that? To make sure there should be no dropout student in our state. And thousand of crore we have invested in the education sectors. Yes, sometimes in the school building, in additional class, sometimes in the salary. I didn't say that the government is perfect, but we are trying our best to show that our students should be the fighter in their future life. We are spoiling our life and we are ruining our life. This is very important to think, especially this generation. We are living in a world of competitions. In a world of competitions. But it does not mean that we should lose hope. At the time when I was studying in Senior College, class 12, I stopped after 12, not because I'm lazy. I'm having a problem, I'm not feeling well, which is related to study book. So my parents crying. Because that time I'm a very serious student. I really work hard. I respect my teachers. I respect my institutions. I respect my elder. But one word, I give hope to my parents. Don't worry, one day people will watch me at the top position. But I didn't expect to become a politician, frankly speaking. But my mind is very clear, I should be the fighter, not the loser. So all now you see, just now I discussed with Reverend Kakrang. I told him, Reverend, you see what is the difficulties now? One job, if the government is advertising, and not less than 10,000 students are applying. And that is the serious problem we are facing as a government and all the parents and all the teachers. So options should be there always in order to lead our students in the brighter life.